Luto tayo manin. Ararawan. Ararawan. There we go. Yep. That's ararawan. Ararawan. Luya. Yan. Laya-laya. Bawang. Or garlic. There you go. Halo-halo lang yan. Pampalis ng arthritis. Palis ng gouties, arthritis, and then sibuyas, of course. Yan, mix them together. Salaong. Then maraming kamatis. Yan. Halo-haluin lang mabuti. Lagyan ng konting garlic salt. And of course, patis. Ginisa sa sariling patis. Pagkagisa ng kamatis, ihalo lahat yung ararawan. There you go, just like that, guys. You just have to mix it, mix everything. And voila. Luto na ang ararawan. There you go.